Hey, Stefano, look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Quick scroll, one tap, ka mau, kua uru mai koe.
Hey, tēnā koe.
Tō mātou reo.
Kia au te MＡORI, kia au.
Tō mātou tuku hohe.
So a lot of eggplant emojis there,
Tō
Matamata.
mātou tirohanga. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MāORI Plus on your devices.
Hello. Okay, sweet, cheers. Mōrena tātou e te whānau, nau mai hoki mai ki tēnei papāhotanga whakaata Māori, kāmihi ki ngā maunga, ngā wai, me ngā hika o tēnei rohe, tēnā koutou katoa. Ki ngā kai whakahaere, me ngā kai whakataitai, e mihi mahana hoki ki a koutou. Everybody, welcome into our broadcast from Whakaata Māori. We acknowledge the mountains, waters, and people who sustain the home fires of this area. I greet you all. To the organisers and athletes, a warm welcome to you also. Ka tira, tēnā rā tātou e te iwi. Welcome back to another rugby game brought to you proudly from MāORI Plus e te whānau. If you are watching from home, be sure to send this live out to your whānau, friends, whoever else that can support our rangatahi, our tauira today. Today, whānau, we have Matamata College versus Lindisfarne College. This is going to be a game on our hands e te iwi. Nā reira, kia matara, kia rite e te whānau. Mō te kapa o Matamata College whānau for the team of Matamata College. Here we have our team list. Number 1, Jono. Number 2, Colton. Number 3 is Patrick. Number 4 is Richard. Number 5, Liam. Our number 6, Aiden. Number 7, Wani Wilson. Tēnā mā waru, Taila Hauraki. Tēnā mā iwa, Daniel. Tēnā mā tekau, Anson Waru. Tēnā mā tekau mā tahi oni. Tēnā mā tekau mā rua, Tūrongo Rāpana. Moving into the 13, Tūhaka Raina. The number 14, Dylan. 15, his name is Troy. Tēnā mā tekau mā ono ko Zeph. Tēnā mā tekau mā whetū ko Austin Oliver. Then we have our number 18 whānau, Lucas. Number 19, Rāwiri Mana Edwards. Tēnā mā rua tekau, Brooklyn. Rua tekau mā tahi ko Shepherd Richards. Tēnā mā rua tekau mā rua ko Keys. There is a team list for Matamata College te whānau. If you can see your whānau, your friends, whoever else it may be, make sure to support them today at the iwi. Head coach is Logan Allen and Richard Waru. Anei te tīma e oke ana. Here is Lindisfarne College's team list whānau. Nama tahi, ko Charlie. Nama rua, ko Logan. Nama toru, ko Joseph. Ko number 4, ko Harry. Number 5, ko Charlie. Number 6, Fletcher. Number 7, Hunter. Number 8, Davey. Te nama iwa, ko RJ. Nama te kau, ko te awarangi, Puke Tapu, Pene. Right down to the number 11 is Sam. And then our number 12 is TK Taylor, te whānau. Moving into our second line, our number 13, Fergus. Number 14, Gus. Number 15, Reed Palmer. Number 16, Jed. Number 17, Kylian. Number 18 is Hugo. Number 19, ko Beck Allen. Tēnā rua te kau, ko Charlie. Rua te kau mā tahi, ko William. Rua te kau mā rua, ko Waiare ki Hunia. Our head coaches for these teams is Lauren and Blair Ross. Ka tira ho mai te pakipaki mui nei ti mai te whānau. As you can see, we have both teams making their way onto the field e te iwi, as they are going to be getting ready to start off a beautiful game that we are going to be watching today e te whānau. Anei rātou, e ara ana ki a rātou huariri, e whakarite ana. And here we have a whānau, both teams standing strong. As they get ready to set up for their haka e te iwi, anei rātou e tū ana. E ārahi ana I a rātou anō. Anā ko takoto te mānuka. Anā, mā tīma e whakarite ana no tā rātou haka. Tēnā mā takitaki mai te iwi. Auri ora. Nā te ihi, te wihi, me te wana, mai te kapa o Lindisfarne College, anei te kapa o Matamata College e whakarite ana, e whakatakoto ana I te mānuka, sitting down the challenge whānau, and here they are going to be getting ready for their haka. Beautiful haka there was whānau, kia matara, kia rite, as both teams have come to play today. And they're bringing the energy in from both sides e te whānau, mauri ora, mā takitaki mai. Anā, te kapa o Matamata College whānau. Ka tira ho mai te pakipaki mō ngā kapa e rua. E pakangana I te rānei, Matamata College whānei versus Lindisfarne College. Anā, ngā tīma e rua, e tuki ana e pakangana. Here they are battling it out whānau. Who will win, who will be victorious today? For our game kicks off whānau, I'd like to take a moment to acknowledge and thank our sponsors and supporters first. A big thank you to Whakaata Māori for providing the platform to share this event with whānau across Aotearoa, helping us showcase our rangatahi and bringing the action to audiences free of charge and accessible no matter where you are located. Anō, ka tira te mihi, te whānau o Whakaata Māori e te whānau. Big cheers and a big thank you to Whakaata Māori. Here they are getting ready to kick off whānau. E whakariterite ana, e whana I te pōro. Anā, ka tumata tō tātou kēmu, e tutu ana for the short ball.
Great kick! Great kick! Hey, 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 hey!
Hey, they had the line.
Is it on the full?
It hit the line when it bounced.
So that's out. Sweet.
G'day.
Piggy.
Sa te whana nei rātou, e whakariterite ana. Te scrum tuatahi o te kēmu.
Crouch.
Front door, back door! Front door, back door!
Bye. I'll go blind.
Nei rātou whānau, e whakariterite ana. Me tō tika rātou I te wā. Ka mai rātou te scrum, they have to be straight when they do their scrum whānau.
If 10 gets it,
Crouch.
they're coming!
Bye.
15 do looking to come!
Kia Matamata College te mana whānau.
15 coming! Yeah, come
Nice.
Beautiful triple chase that is whānau. Trying to secure himself some easy meters, unfortunately was able to pick it up. And here is Lindisfarne College capitalising on the advantage of that ball. Strong tackle from Matamata whānau, nei rātou, e whakariterite ana. Beautifully picked up by Matamata College at the iwi. Looking for the handoff, and finally it's not there. What an action-packed game so far, whānau. Just reaching the near 2-minute mark of the first half of the game. And here these teams battling it out. Nei rātou whānau. Whakarite ana mo te scrum again. Matamata College with the ball. Once again, whānau. Lindisfarne is feeling the heat, whānau, and here they are, ready to bring the impact in. Whakarongo ki te karanga te kai wawao e te whānau. Listen to the call of the ref. He maka whakahipa, looking in for that short ball. Beautifully secured by the Lucy. There it is, whānau, penalty advantage, tap and run, he is offside. Secured himself some easy meters again. Here is Matamata College te whānau, nei rātou e tuki ana ki te kapa o Lindisfarne. Bringing themselves up closer and closer up to their try line. Beautiful intensity by both teams, Te Whānau, and here they are setting up for another scrum. Kei tā te kai wawao. Anei ai kōrero ana ki ngā kai tākoro o Lindisfarne. Here he is speaking to the players of Lindisfarne. Advantage to Matamata College te whānau. Here they are, setting up for the easy point. But it seems as if this is a penalty kick, whānau. Yes, it is. Here they are going to be taking that opportunity, capitalising on an easy point as they can. Reaching the near 5-minute mark. There nā mā taki mai. And just like that, whānau, that is successful at the whānau. Penalty kick scored by Matamata College as they take the first score of the match.
Go, Liam. Where's that, mate? Yeah, just shoot, Paul. Ball early. Okay, come in.
Yeah, I'm pressing.
Come wider. One line. Nice, Sam hold.
Ara, he maka whakahipa. Te Whanganui. Skip ball, pushing it out to the middle whānau. So they can take the contact with their props. Mea rātou paumua. Beautiful charge down there was at the whānau. Lindisfarne capitalising on the opportunity. Here they are. Getting the ball out of their whānau. Beautiful kick that was. Beautifully caught by the wingers of Lindisfarne College. Taking it into the fullback. Looking for that chip and chase whānau. E whanarewa whai. Matamata College sitting in the red zone. Another strong kick there was. Secure the legs. Beautiful pressure by both teams at the whānau, back and forth energy. Tana te kapa kaupare o Lindisfarne College, the defending team. Here they are, getting ready to defend the ball. Nā, he whanarewa whai anō mai te kapa Matamata College. Lindisfarne with a skip pass. Unfortunately wasn't able to catch the ball. That leads to a turnover. Matamata College having the advantage anei rātou. E whakarite ana me te pōro, e whakarite ana mo te scrum anō.
Sam! You know the moon is the location of the you know the moon is flying in the sky
Beautifully taken out by Matamata College. Titurana mo te whanarewa whai anō. Applying pressure onto Lindisfarne. As he breaks through the line, whānau. Deceptive feet, quick feet, kicking it out to their winger. Trying to bring it back in, but unfortunately isn't able to do it. What a beautiful run there was though, whānau.
He likes open side kicking. Let's go, simple rugby, let's go. Simple.
E tā te koe tā te koro. Simple rugby whānau. Stick to the basics.
Fullback. Sit. Fullback. Artie coming? Is Artie coming? Foley, are you coming?
Hey! Sit! Hold!
Nā rātou me te kākari. Ka whāngai tia. E maka ana i te pōro. Ki ngā tahataha o te whira. Sending the ball out to the sides of the field. And there it is, another advantage for Matamata College as Lindisfarne keeps giving them opportunities to capitalise on. Nā, whakarite mo te kākari anō. Nei rātou e whāngai ana i te pōro e titiro ana mo te whanarewa. Fortunately, it is not there whānau, and Lindisfarne has an opportunity for themselves to secure themselves a try. Nei rātou e whakarite ana mo te tūtira.
Get around for the second pod. Numbers!
Nei te kapa o Lindisfarne. Beautiful maka tūtira there was, beautiful line out pass. Taking the ball up the guts.
Come on! Advantage over!
Put it up.
And just like that, whānau, Lindisfarne College takes their first try of the match. Currently sitting at a 2-point differential between the two teams. Matamata College, turinga piro mā rātou, limanga piro for Lindisfarne College. Nei te mga takitaki koutou i tērā, te para huti ana ia ki te paitaha o te whira, secure himself a try. Nei rātou e whakarite ana mō te whanatūruki, mai te paitaha māui o te whira from the left side, left line of the field. Will he be able to make this? Just like that, whānau, what a beautiful kick that was. Securing himself an extra 2 points for his team. Te nama te kaumārua o te kapa o Lindisfarne College te whānau, mauri ora ki a rātou i te iwi. Kia tūpata mo e nei tīma e te whānau. Anei rātou e pakanga ana e tuki ana. Looking for that short ball. Almost picked up by Matamata College. Unfortunately, they are unable to do it. Quick tap and run. Lindisfarne capitalising on the easy opportunity. And a beautiful tackle that is by Lucy of Matamata College to whānau. Anei rātou. Fake pass, dummy pass. And he's lost the ball, whānau. Matamata College keeping the ball alive. Beautiful pressure by Lindisfarne as they secure themselves the ruck. There it is, an opportunity advantage by Lindisfarne, giving Matamata College an advantage in the ball.
Oi, simple footy.
They're going to be looked for kick to touch so they can secure themselves some easy meters whānau. Just like that, if you nei rātou, e whakarite ana mo te tira. Te kaitaha, te taha māwi o te whira. Te taha matau, o Matamata College. Left side for Lindisfarne, right side for Matamata College.
Go back here! Up!
Beautiful line out pass there was whānau, taking out the defenders. And a strong tackle by Lindisfarne's number 8, their prop, securing their middle. Now, up the guts again, whānau. There is an advantage for Lindisfarne as they have the ball right now. What can they do with it?
All day, Reno. Crouch. Hold it.
Can you help me on these ones?
Nei rātou te kapa o Lindisfarne e whakarite ana mo te kākari. Setting up for their scrum. Nearly reaching the 16-minute mark of the game at the whānau. Coming back into the middle, beautiful tackle secured by number 14 on Matamata College. Here they are looking for an opportunity to break through the line. Can they find it for themselves? Beautifully bumped off. Lindisfarne coming in with the action in the heat whānau up the guts they do. Beautifully secured, quick feet by the captain. Kanawata Marima. Putata whai atu rātou I te pōro. There it is an advantage for Matamata College with they have the ball in hand right now. So they're going to be setting up for one of a scrum. There it is an advantage for Matamata College of the Iwi.
Two.
Beautiful kick there was. Securing the ball for themselves. Quick feet whānau ana ia, e para huti ana. Ki te pai piro. But unfortunately knocks the ball on. Te ahua nei anei, a Matamata College me te pōro, kia rātou ringa e whakarite ana ki te kākari. And this one is 5 metres away, less than 5 metres actually whānau from their try line. Can they manage to score themselves another try? Or will Matamata College get out of the red zone? and make their way to their opponent's try line. Beautiful pressure by Lindisfarne, forcing out an opportunity for themselves, where they will be setting up for a two tira, te paitaha, or te whira. It's currently sitting at a 4-point differential between the two teams right now. Whanganui, Matamata College, 3 points. Lindisfarne, 7 points. 1 try, 1 conversion. Quick feet, this number 15 has. Ana ia, parahuti huti ana, me te poro. Titiro na te pai piro, and a beautiful tackle that is by Matamata College's number 8, shutting down that middle. Matamata College, Whanganui here securing the defense. It seems we have an overlap. Beautiful tackle, Whanganui. The pressure is slowly rising minute after minute, second after second. Lindisfarne securing their ruck, left, right and centre. As they are here, fighting with the ball, trying to push their way into that try line. And just like that, Whanganui. Ara he piro anō mō te kapa o Lindisfarne College. Fighting their way through the try line, Whanganui securing themselves another point. In piro ki a rātou. 2 tries, 1 conversion. No doubt this next conversion is going to be going in like butter. As they had put their ball right down underneath the goalpost. Nei rātou e whakarite ana. Just like that, it's a beautiful kick that was. Te kaumā whā ngā piro mō te kapa o Lindisfarne College, e tori ngā piro mō te kapa o Matamata College. Still a very, very close game on our hands. Te Whanganui, Matamata has yet scored themselves a try. No doubt they're going to be battling. Beautiful tackle that is, Whanganui. Straight onto the ball. Matamata College not living up any easy opportunity for Lindisfarne to gain meters. And just like that, Whanganui, the pressure rises and they send the ball right back to Matamata College. And a beautiful catch that was. Taking this ball straight back to their winner. They are chasing that Whanganui and a beautiful ball that was. Both teams, the Iwi coming in hot, bringing in the action.
Three. Make sure that you have a back behind the pod. Take out our effort.
Hey James, Wilson, James!
Beautiful tackle there was whānau, securing the legs, cheek to cheek. Nā, he makatinihanga. Looking for the offload ball, and there it is, whānau. Lindisfarne secures himself another try. What a beautiful try sequence that was at the end. What a beautiful try sequence that was. Dummy pass, he makatinihanga. Into a step into the inside lane, looking for the offload on the ball, and his player was right there with him. Lindisfarne seems like they are starting to pick up their mojo, whānau, as they are getting ready to progress further and further into this game. Just like that, whānau, an easy kick converted. Lindisfarne currently sitting at 21 points. Beautiful kick that is, whānau. Nei te kapa o Lindisfarne, e parahutiuti ana ki te paitaha o te whira, boosting their way down the sideline, securing themselves some extra meters. Just reached the 26-minute mark of our first half. Ana, he maka whakahipa, an overlap, looking in for the drawn pass. Beautifully shut down by Matamata College. What a shutdown that was, whānau. Fortunately, there is a yellow card being played there. Here they are, getting ready for the kick to touch, securing themselves some more easy meters. Our touchy sets our line as they're going to be ready, getting ready to set up for another line out. E whakarite te ana mo te makatū tira. Lindisfarne College whānau starting to pick up the heat. They're only just getting better minute after minute. Beautiful bunt that was, whānau. If he had bunted and offloaded to his left side, that could have been a try at the iwi. There it is, whānau. Lindisfarne with another point right underneath the post, securing themselves another try. Ana, he piro anō mo te kapa o Lindisfarne. They are on a streak, on a roll at te whānau. Look at them go. Matamata College struggling to keep up as the score slowly grows minute after minute. Ana, he piro anō, he whana tūruki mai te kapa o Lindisfarne College te iwi. They are currently sitting at 28 points, with Matamata College at 3 points. Both teams coming in hot at the iwi. An unfortunate turn of events with that kick. Lindisfarne gets the opportunity to set up a scrum right in the middle of the field, capitalising on some more easy meters for themselves, bringing them 50 meters closer to their try line. Ana ia tātou kapa e te iwi. E tuki ana, e pakanga ana. Mā wai rā e toa I tēnei kemu, tēnā mā takitaki mai. And let's find out together e te whānau. Mena e mā takitaki ana koe I tēnei mai te kāinga. Make sure to have water. Or whatever you can. Matamata College almost secures the ball for themselves. Unfortunately wasn't able to do it though. Lindisfarne is there, battling it out. Beautiful grubber kick.
Touch.
Unable to pick it up, whānau. He had touched the ball, and there it is. Another opportunity for Lindisfarne right next to their try line. And here they are, e whakarite ana, mō te tūtira, e tatari ana, mō te maka tūtira. Ka tae rātou ki te whaipiro, mō tā rātou kapa anō. Ka tae rātou te mahi tēnā mā takitaki mai whānau, and let's find out together. Anā te maka tūtira, given out and shut down by Matamata College. Ngari anei rātou, 5 mita, mai I te pai piro, e tiro ana mō te piro. Ka tae rātou te mahi tēnā mā takitaki mai whānau. Does he able to get it down? He maka whakahipa. Coming back into the centre, looking for another opportunity. The ball had been lost, and here's Matamata College's opportunity, whānau, to steal the ball back. Seems we have gotten an injury from Lindisfarne College. It could have been a head collision. We do not know yet. Ngani ko te āhua nei, e tino mamai ana ia. Nei a ia e takoto ana ki te paitaha o te whira. What can he do, whānau? Is he alright? He stands back up. And it seems like he is still fit to go, whānau. There it is, e te iwi. Ko te āhua nei e pai ana ia. But it seems as if he is all goods, whānau, which is the main thing. We want to make sure that our rangatahi and that our tauiras are still feeling healthy. Slight limp. With time, he will walk it off, whānau. Nei a Matamata College, whānau, here's the opportunity. Can they manage to do it? Whakarongo ki te karanga, te kaiwawao. Te āhua nei. Lindisfarne is over pushing it, making their scrum turn into an angle. Anei te kāpene. Matamata College, kātahi anō. Ko whāngai te kākari. Just like that, whānau. Ball has gone out again. Lindisfarne College is currently going to be sending up at the sideline for their line out, waiting on a line out pass. Nei rātou e whakariterite ana ki te paitaha, e tatari ana. Ki te whāngai, te pōro, ki tā rātou tīma mai te maka tūtira. Anei tā rātou nama rua. E tātari ana mō te pōro. Ka whāngai te pōro anō, he maka whakahipa. Stepped off. Strong push by the number 8 of Lindisfarne College, securing themselves some extra meters as they pick up the ball e te whānau a nei rātou. keeping the ball alive. He whanarewa me te whai. Beautifully offloaded the ball. The Matamata College sees right through them as they are able to shut that down. If they can keep this up, whānau, they will be able to shut down their try opportunity. But it's not far from the end of our first half. Matamata College whānau fighting until the very end because they know that they are still in this game and it's still possible for them to catch up. They still have another second half. And a beautiful dummy pass that was whānau, securing himself a big gap. Te kāpene o Lindisfarne, kua whai piro mā tā rātou tīma MΑORI ki a ia. Rima ngā piro mā rātou, bringing themselves up to 33 points, a 30-point differential between themselves and Matamata College i te whānau. Ana i rātou e whakarite ana mō te whanatūruki. Beautifully converted straight through the middle of the goalpost. This kicker is on a roll e te whānau, tore te kaumārima ngā piro o Lindisfarne College e te whānau. Te kapawhero, e pakanga ana, e tuki ana ki te tinomutunga o tēnei kēmua nei a rātou. Whānau me a rātou hoa, e aki ana i a rātou. 35 minutes in, whānau. Just before this half ends, whānau, I'd also like to acknowledge and thank Te Taurāwhiti, Te Reo Māori, for their ongoing support and development of Te Reo Māori and strengthening its presence in events like this. Te Taurāwhiti helps us with events like this, whānau. They are one of our big sponsors, and we are truly grateful for them. Ana. Ana a tātou kapa, e tuki ana. Beautiful pass there was, looking for the short ball opportunity. And here they are, securing the ball. Looking for another short ball opportunity.
Come out! Overlap! Go, Gussie! Go, Gussie!
What a strong run that was, whānau, bringing himself right through the gap. Here they are, forcing themselves towards that try line at the iwi. Lindisfarne College is hungry for another point. Can they do it though? That is the big question. There it is, beautifully popped up. Nā whānau. Ko tatata te tātou ki te mitunga o te hawhe tuatahi o tēnei kēmua nei rātou e whakariterite ana. And there it is, whānau, half time. And he's just arrived. Tēnā homai te pakipaki mo tērā e te whānau. What a beautiful game we had on our hands. Matamata College currently sitting at 3 points. Lindisfarne currently sitting at 35 points. MΑORI e te iwi, tihei, MAORI.
Hey, Stefano, look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Quick scroll, one tap, ka mau, kua uru mai koe.
Hey, ata nā koe.
Tō mātou reo,
Kia au te manoarere, kia
tō
au.
mātou tuku hohe,
So what egg farm emojis there, my
tō mātou tirohanga. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MAORI Plus on your devices.
That is tough. Kei aku nui, kei aku rahi, anei rā, a haka feels.
Else just make sure that everyone knows who we are.
Te whāinga matua, kia rangatira te tū, kia Whanganui te tū.
hear my brother say, stop.
I want to win. I want to win. Let's go! I know your haka feels. Te miki atu nei.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through really tough times. It's a real privilege, but you know, for us, we want to see others get involved in this. This is not a selfish thing for Apollo. This is about how can we get, whether it's construction or other businesses, to get involved in this.
There's a lot of things that kids miss out on, and so to have businesses step up and want to be involved and to help is a game changer for schools. It really is.
It's time for action. We are working to reduce the impacts of climate change, side by side with nature, with each other, through research, investment and practical innovation. Because nature is not a resource, it's a collaborator. Nativa, leading with nature.
Sport is about more than just a game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. It's learning when to back yourself or back your buddies. It's actually being excited to get out of bed early on a Saturday. Sport is about more than just a game. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
Mauri ora e te whānau, ko tātu tātou ki te hawhea tuarua o tēnei kēmu Matamata College versus Lindisfarne College. Lindisfarne currently sitting at 35 points, whānau with Matamata with 3 points. Anei a tātou ka pai rua e whakariterite ana. What a beautiful pan out that was from our cameraman. Anei rātou, e whakarite ana mō te whana. Just like that, whānau, ka tīmata tātou hawhea tuarua o te kēmu. Our second half has beautifully started. Faking out the defender, strong fend off. Lindisfarne with the ball in hand, here they are looking for the opportunity, breaks through the line, securing himself some extra meters. Beautiful draw and pass that was whānau, anei ai parahutiuti ana ki te paitaha. He whanarewa me te whai. Can they manage to pick up the ball? And they have tackled him in. But it seems that is a penalty. Must have been a head high whānau, but that was a beautiful chip and chase at that. Anei Matamata College e tatari ana. Kick the touch to secure themselves some easy meters again, whānau. Once again, some beautiful camera angles from our cameraman today at te whānau, humai te paki moa ia. Anei a Lindisfarne te iwi.
Let's go, discipline here. Dawson. Just take a step. Yep.
An unfortunate turn of events there for Matamata College as they are unable to catch the ball. It's alright though. Simple rugby whānau. They are able to come back from this. What they need to do is put their head down and their foot forward.
Well, I'm holding on like 10.
Here's Lindisfarne whānau getting ready. More te kākari. Ka tahi anō ka whāngai te pōro. Ana ia e tatari ana. Te whāngai te pōro ki te kākari. Just like that whānau, the ball is out of that scrum. Looking for the draw and pass opportunity. Bunts up their number 10. Washing machine is way down whānau. Strong tackles from Matamata College. Here they are trying to support themselves. Looking for opportunities. Beautifully shut down. Anei rātou e tuki ana e pakanga ana ki te tino mutinga o tēnei kēmu. Beautiful short ball opportunity. Kicks it out. Another bunt off. Looking for another opportunity to hand off that ball. To offload it. Beautiful commitment from Matamata College, but Lindisfarne is pushing their way towards that try line e te iwi. Anei rātou e tuki ana ki a rātou huariri e pakanga ana a Matamata College me Lindisfarne. And there it is, whānau, they secure themselves. He piro anō mo te kapa o Lindisfarne College. What a beautiful try that was e te whānau. Here he is making his way back to his team. What a score that was with iwi. Nei rātou, e oki ana ki tā rātou hāwhe. Anei tā rātou kai whana, e whakarite ana mō te whana tūruki. Can they manage to do a whānau? Can they manage to bring themselves back home? Another conversion. What a beautiful kick that was, whānau. Unfortunately, doesn't make it through. But that was a beautiful kick at te iwi. 4 minutes and 30 seconds into our second half at te whānau. Lindisfarne has a strong lead of 37 points above Matamata College. Anei rātou e noho ana me te whātekau piro Matamata College o toru ngā piro. Nā tātou kapa e rua, e tuki ana, e pakanga ana e te whānau. Nā, he maka whakahipa. Beautiful draw and pass that was, whānau. Here he is, making his way down the sideline. E parahuti ana. E titira ana mo te offload, but unfortunately it wasn't there. But they secure the ruck, and here they are, whānau, capitalising on the moment, on the opportunity to secure themselves another point. They are in their opponent's half. Beautiful movement by Lindisfarne. Matamata College is feeling the pressure at hand. Dummy pass, he maka tinihanga. E whai atu rātou ki te taha matau o te whira anō. Beautiful way to secure that ruck whānau. Trying to find a gap through the middle. Matamata College shuts that down with ease. Beautifully shut down by Matamata College whānau. Matamata now has the ball and they have the advantage. Can they manage to secure themselves a run? It seems like we had a head collision there. Matamata College's player is currently on the floor. He looks rocked, whānau. Rugby is not a sport you easily play, whānau. This is a contact sport. You can expect nothing less, whānau. They are here putting their bodies on the line, battling it out until the very end. Anei ngā kapaerua e whakahoki kōrero ana kia rātou anō. Here they are, conversating. Beautiful day it is today, whānau. As you can see, we have our supporters sitting at the try line, sitting at the sideline, all supporting our teams here, whānau. Anā te kapa, Matamata College. Nei rātou, e whakarite ana mō te kākari. They are setting up for the scrum, whānau. Matamata College, can they manage to make themselves a comeback on Lindisfarne? They started off the game on a roll, whānau, penalty after penalty from Lindisfarne. But here's Lindisfarne making up for all those penalties given. Now they have a strong point lead, whānau. 40 points is where they are currently sitting at. 37-point differential between the two teams. And a beautiful kick that was. Fortunately, the ball goes out, giving Lindisfarne the opportunity to capitalise on the moment. Anei rātou e tū ana ki te maka tū tira.
Oi, wide as, oi, wide as. Stay sweet, stay sweet, stay sweet.
Beautiful, beautiful run there was, whānau securing the ball again. Picked up and given out. He maka whakahipa, drawing pass, one more. And there it is, whānau, he piru anō mō te kapa o Lindisfarne College as he dives down for their try, whānau. What a beautiful try that was. Pātekau Māori mga piro mā rātou. As they're going to be setting up mō te whanatūruki. What a beautiful, beautiful try that was, whānau. The number 14 securing the try for his kapa. Mo tāna tīma at Lindisfarne College. Anei te nama te kaumārua anō e whakarite ana ki te paitaha matau o te whira. E tatari ana te whanatūruki, te pōro. As he approaches the ball, unfortunately that is not in whānau. These are not easy kicks to make at the whānau, especially considering how far that angle is, how wide it is. Ngari, anei rātou. I tēnei wā tonu, ki te toa rātou I te kēmu. Whātekau Māori mga piro mā rātou, toringa piro mā Matamata College, 45 points for Lindisfarne, 3 points for Matamata College. Currently sitting at a 42-point differential. So get ready to kick the ball. What a beautiful kick that was. Almost shut down straight away. As he secures himself some extra meters, final, he is not held down and he is not over. Kicking the ball out. Taking the ball out again.
Ollie, stay! Wally!
Trying to look for the offload opportunity, but unfortunately it wasn't there.
Time up.
Beautiful pressure by Matamata College.
Red, you got an option.
There it is, whānau. Beautiful pressure by Matamata College. They are hungry for their ball, whānau, and they understand that they need this if they want to score that try.
Keep going, keep going.
It's going to be a big scrum. Let's get up through now.
Nei te kapa o Lindisfarne, e oke ana. Te kākari kia tae rātou te whakarite, here they are making their way up to the scrum so they can get ready. Just like that, whānau, we have rolling subs from both teams, Matamata College and Lindisfarne. Fresh and ready, whānau, anei rātou. E whakarite rite ana.
Here we go, fellas.
Mō te kākari.
Crouch! Bye!
Here kene te iwi. Getting ready for the ball. Lindisfarne College versus Matamata College te iwi.
Crouch!
Lindisfarne currently sitting at a strong point differential between themselves and Matamata. Can Matamata manage to make themselves a comeback?
Right! Franklin!
Nei rātou e parahutiuti ana ki te paitaha. What a strong run that was, whānau. Getting the ball out of that sideline. They are far away from the outmark. Beautiful drawing pass that was. Anei a tātou tīma e pakangana e tuki ana. Mā waira e toi tēnei kēmu. What a beautiful short ball that was, whānau, securing themselves some beautiful meters, that is. It seems like Matamata College has got the advantage in hand so far. An unfortunate turn of events. Looks like we have got a slight injury there. Our time is still rolling, whānau. Matamata needs to make something out of this if they want to keep themselves in the game. Right now they're currently sitting at a 43-point differential between themselves and Lindisfarne College. Lindisfarne has a strong lead. Anei rātou, me te whātekau Māori mga piro, 45 points for them. E tori ngā piro mā Matamata, 3 points for Matamata. Anei rātou, e whakarite ana mo te tūtira.
What do you want? You got last or nah? Yo, I got full back. Who you on? Yeah. 50, I'm 50. I'm 50. Let's go, boys, discipline. Let's go. What's the call?
Mei rātou e whakarite ana mō te tūtira anō Matamata College. The advantage of having the ball.
Right boot, Joel. I got full back. Pardon? I'm on full back. What's got last? Fire.
What a beautiful line-out pass there was, whānau. Matamata College securing the ball for themselves. Quick hands as they look for an opportunity again. Getting the ball out of there. Beautiful grubber there was, whānau. Can you get it? Can you? What a beautiful sequence there was, whānau. Unfortunately, his foot was on the line when he had to get that ball back in. But that was a beautiful sequence at the whānau Matamata College, trying to find an opportunity for themselves, try and score their points. Wow, what a sequence there was, whānau. Safe to say that we have not seen anything like that in this game so far. And Matamata College is pulling out tricks out of their pockets. But they are magicians. Nearly reaching the 16-minute mark of the game. Matamata College picks up the ball, whānau, and here they are, nearly towards their try line. Can they secure another point for themselves? They are right here. Will they be able to do it? Kicks the ball out. Unfortunately loses it though, and Lindisfarne picks up the ball for themselves, and here they are, making their way up the field as they try and look for an opportunity. He maka whakahipa anō. As he boosts his way down the sideline. He whanarewa looking for the chip kick opportunity.
Nice lads. Oh, what here, Troy? The fuck? Colton, catch it. What is the pat? Liam. Ireland. Taking a maul.
Touchy sets our mark, whānau, Matamata College.
Run that down, man.
Hold him.
On me, get out here.
Work around the corner. Dom. On me.
Matamata College whānau fighting for the ball, trying to secure themselves another try, another point at least. Here he is, 2 minutes, 2 meters out from the try line. And there it is, an advantage.
Jono! On me.
Yeah, on 10. That's good.
Here they are, whānau, setting up for their line now. Te whakarite ana mō te tūtira e tatari ana ki te maka i te pōro. Te whanga i te pōro ki tā rātou tīma. Beautifully picked up by Lindisfarne. Was unable to make it to the people going up.
Come. Over there. Yeah. Right side you.
Both teams battling it out. Whanau, the captain, securing a gap as they take up a strong run. Whanau. Here it is, Matamata College secures the opportunity for themselves to bring themselves back into the game. Can they manage to score a try? Unfortunately, that is an out. And Lindisfarne College has the ball in hand. Aneirato. Push him out. And there it is, Whanau, Matamata College take the ball right back. The smartest move would have been to go through the middle and set up from there, Whanau.
Get up, let's go. What are you doing? Covering or not? Yeah, Will. I've got fullback if he comes. Ice it though, ice it. Big spacing. Big spacing. Big spacing. Look at it, Ollie.
Anei a Matamata College whānau, whakarite ana, mō te kākari, ka tahi anō, ka whāngai, te pōro. And just like that, whānau, they are kissing the grass. Seems like there was a bit too much ka there, whānau, a bit too much ihi, too much wehi.
He's wide in, someone will get there. Stay on!
Anei a tātou tīma e rua whānau e tuki ana.
Boy, go left.
Advantage. Captain, when you come around, shoulder on the back of the neck. Even though he was going down, your shoulder hit the back of his neck.
What can I do there, sir?
Go lower.
Huh?
Go lower.
I was pretty low.
Yeah, but you've got to go lower.
Tautoko whānau, tautoko. when it comes to situations like that, you just need to go lower and keep the cheeky te iwi, keep cheek.
Oh, 9-11, boys. 9-11.
Nei rātou e whakarite ana mo te tū tira. 24 minutes and 30 seconds into our second half.
9-11.
Lindisfarne still currently with a strong lead at the moment, whānau. Matamata College. Beautiful chip and kick right there, whānau. As they manage to keep the ball alive, Lindisfarne is fighting for it. Matamata College secures the ball, gets it back out of there. Lindisfarne coming in with strong runs, whānau. They are pushing their way towards their try line. And they are almost there, te iwi. Beautiful skip pass there was by the captain, Te Matakau, or Lindisfarne. Putata tātu ia ki te pai piro. Matamata College shuts that down quick, whānau, as they seen that coming from a mile away. But can they keep this up? All they need to do is keep pushing themselves towards their try line, whānau. They are less than a metre away from there. There it is, whānau, I lost the ball. Matamata College with the ball in hand. Just reached the 26-minute mark. Rua te kaumā, ono ngā miniti. Ko pāhi atu. Matamata College whānau, Lindisfarne battling it out. 26 minutes have passed in our second half of the match. First 15 Rugby, Central North Highland. And they are bringing the energy at te whānau. I want to give another huge thank you to all of our other sponsors, Bailey's Real Estate, Caltex, Nativa, Apollo Projects and Anchor. Their sponsorship enables us to share this event with you and your whānau, and for backing the growth of support and community initiatives across Aotearoa. I say that again, whānau, Bailey's Real Estate, Caltex, Nativa, Apollo Projects and Anchor. He mihi nui kia rātou, mo te tautoko atu i a tātou i te rānei. Without their support, whānau, none of this would be possible. So please take the time out of your day.
Eyes! Eyes! If they play, I'm coming up. Come on. Tiz, get off! Holding wide. What are we going? Donji, what is it?
Here they are, whānau, with the ball in hand, making their way upfield. Matamata College versus Lindisfarne. Lindisfarne currently has the ball, and what can they do with it? That was a beautiful grubber, but unfortunately wasn't able to pick up on that. And here we have Matamata College, e whakarite ana ki te tūtira i te pōro, ki te maka tūtira.
Work, Hachi, work!
Just like that, whānau, another try has been secured by Lindisfarne College Dairy. Ara, he piro mā rātou. Tizero ki tā tātou rangatahi ki tō tātou tauira. They are now sitting at 50 points whānau, a 47-point differential between themselves and Matamata College, and it looks like Matamata isn't going to be making their comeback anytime soon, whānau, especially with the way things are going right now. Lindisfarne is on a roll, on a heat, and they are pushing it there. Beautiful kick that was, whānau. What a beautiful kick that was converted. Nā te whanatūriki mai te kapa o Lindisfarne College. Nei te kapa o Matamata, e oke ana ki te paiwehe o te whira, e whakarite ana ki te whana i te pōro. By the looks of it, for the last time of the second half of the whānau. We've nearly reached the 30-minute mark of our second half. We are nearing the end of our game. Lindisfarne with a strong lead so far, whānau. Matamata College has not yet scored since their penalty kick. The drive and the heat is still there, whānau. They have not given up, and they understand that this game is over when the final whistle blows. But Lindisfarne, whānau, is pushing their way towards the end. There it is, another advantage for Matamata College. Could this be the opportunity where they may be able to secure themselves a point? Anei rātou e whakarite ana mo te kākari. Seems like they're going to be taking the kick to touch to bring themselves a bit closer.
Let's go.
And a beautiful kick there was, whānau, bringing them about 6 metres out from their try line. They're going to be getting ready for a line out. Whakarite ana mo te tūtira nei te namarua o Matamata College, e tatori ana mo te pōro. For the time running, second after second, minute after minute. Can they manage to bring themselves a point? Beautiful tactic there was, pushing the ball closer to the try line. Backdoor as they kick the ball out, looking for the off-road pass. Shut down by Lindisfarne. What an opportunity though, and what a sequence that was. They are almost there te whānau. All they really need to do is shift their numbers out and look for a drawing pass. He maka whakahipa. Looks like they have gained themselves another penalty. There is an injury from Lindisfarne, which is slowing down the time, whānau. They are almost at the end of their game, and they cannot be doing this right now. Matamata College is right there. Beautifully picked up by Lindisfarne College, whānau, and there it is. The momentum has been stopped. Matamata College has not given up, as they understand they are right next to their try line. But just like that, whānau, they get the ball out of there. Beautiful chip and chase. And wait for him to understand that that was going to be a dummy pass from Makatini Hanga. And a beautiful tackle, whānau, secured by Lindisfarne College. Both teams coming in hore te iwi anei rātou, tuki ana, e pakanga ana mā wai rā. E whai te piro whakamutunga o te kēmu. Beautiful pass there was, whānau, securing the gap. He is still going, whānau, it is not over, looking for the off-road pass, and unfortunately it is not there. And that is knocked on, giving Matamata College the advantage to secure themselves another opportunity to try and get a try for themselves. Reaching the near end of our final half, whānau, the second half, the final half. Mā wai rā, e whai tēnei piro whakamutunga o te kēmu. Anei rātou e whakarite ana mo te kākari whakamutunga o te kēmu ko te āhua nei. And they are setting up for the last scrum of the game by the seams of it.
Take a step wide, take a step.
Thanks, guys.
Waiting to feed the ball in, e tatari ana ki te whanga i te pōro ki wainga.
Well, take centre.
I got fullback. I got fullback. Go, push, push, push.
And they kick the ball out, whānau. Beautiful grubber kick that was. What a chase that was, whānau, to gain themselves some extra meters. And they are fighting for their ball, whānau. Looking for the opportunity to score themselves another try. Who was there to support them? This is most likely going to be the last sequence of our match, whānau. Can they manage to pull out another magic trick? They are fighting for their ball, whānau, Lindisfarne. There it is, an advantage. Quick tap and run as they are offside. Securing themselves some extra meters. As they are fighting for the ball, whānau. They really want this last match, and there it is, whānau, an opportunity. And just like that, a tap and run. Beautiful chip and chase that was, whānau. 3 players from Lindisfarne right there. Matamata College shut down.
Oi, kick it out.
There it is, another advantage for Lindisfarne. What are they going to do? Another tap and run. And yes, it is a tap and pass. As they knock the ball on, whānau. Ara, ko mutu tō tātou Kiwi whānau, that is full time. Lindisfarne takes the final score of the match. Beautiful last sequence for the end of our game, whānau. 57 points to Lindisfarne, 3 points to Matamata College. Lindisfarne currently sitting at a 54-point differential to end the game. What a beautiful game we had on our hands here today, whānau. Mauri ora ki a tātou whānau, ki a tātou hoa. Kia tātou, ko tai mai ki tēnei papāhotanga, ki te tautoko i a tātou rangatahi me a tātou taurei te rānei. Big thank you to our family, friends and supporters who tapped into the live to support our rangatahi. By the seams of a whānau, that is going to be the end of our stuff. Nō reira, ko tiwa mātou mahi tēnei rā. Ki ngā kai whakahaere me ngā kai whakataitai, kia haumaru tā koutou hoki ngā ki o koutou kāinga. Tēnā koutou ngā kai mā takitaki i tā koutou tūhono mai, noho ora mai. And so, that's all from us today, whānau. Safe travels home to the organisers and competitors who played and supported today. Big thanks to our viewers for joining us. Stay well with iwi. Mauri ora, e te whānau. Soko whiti tapping out. Oots!